wig properly makes all the difference in how natural and comfortable it feels. Here's a simple step-by-step guide. First, you'll want to make sure your hair is pinned down. Since my hair is long, I like to pin it flat against my head for a smooth, even fit. Wearing a wig cap is optional, but it can help keep any loose hairs in place and create a smooth base for your wig. We offer two types, a nylon cap, which I am wearing here, for a sleek, snug fit, and a mesh cap for breathable comfort. If needed, use the adjustable tabs at the back of the wig to tighten or loosen the fit. This helps ensure your wig feels secure and comfortable all day. Next, hold your wig by the nape and position the front of your wig at your natural hairline. Gently pull it back over your head until it's fully in place. Locate the ear tabs on each side of the wig. These should sit evenly just above your ears. Adjust them so the wig feels balanced and symmetrical. That's how you know it's properly aligned. Once everything feels secure, use your fingers or a wide tooth comb to style and smooth the hair into place. And that's it. A few simple steps to a natural, comfortable fit that's ready to wear. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for all things Estetica. Tips, tutorials, and everything you need to get the most out of your wig collection.